We ran into a rattlesnake. I think Tyson might have got bit. It's scary. Here he is. Hey man, where'd the snake get you?
Take out my ankle. You ready, Gary? You ready for this video?
Gary's ready.
Gary's ready. Here we are, making yet another video, and it's been a while since we last did some of these, but we have a lot of exciting stuff for you guys to check out. We took a road trip in the mountain bike van.
Yeah, first trip mountain bike van, went to Angel Fire, but first stop, Carlsbad, New Mexico.
Carlsbad. We went to ride the trails at, what's that place called?
Something La Cueva Vaca.
El Carlsbad Trail System.
Yeah.
And you'll get to see what we happened to run into, and not to spoil the video, but there might have been a snake somewhere.
Definitely a snake.
Yeah.
One of us got bit by a snake. Watch the video. You'll have fun.
Watch the video.
And we were off. Our first trip in the mountain bike van. It was a 10-hour drive from Dallas-Fort Worth to Angel Fire, New Mexico.
Also noteworthy, the Tyson doing some computer work from the van on the road.
Found the big sticks, cleaning the van.
We had to stop and wash lots of bugs. Lots and lots of bugs. We stayed the night at a KOA in Carlsbad, and the first rule of the KOA
Is we don't talk about the KOA.
Second rule at the KOA is you must get your workout on. If you didn't bring your home gym, they supplied equipment right outside our van. We saw a couple aliens. I think they escaped from Roswell. The third and most important rule is when your song comes on, you must dance. And this was my jam.
Early the next morning, we left for the El Carlsbad Trail System.
To get to this crazy trail here in New Mexico, we had to do a little bit of off-roading. There was no one here. It seemed to be like some kind of abandoned trail.
It looks like the bikes survived their first cross-state road trip in the van. However, not everything about this trip was successful with this van.
Here we go. We got our gear on, ready to rock. Let's hit the trail.
All right, here we are at La Cueva. About to hit up some sweet wood features. Hopefully we can bunny hop the rattlesnakes that we see on the trail. El Guavo, Hava, I don't know. Very rocky with a lot of bush from here and there. A lot of rocks, a lot of rocks. So if you come to El Carlsbad, expect rocks. A lot of rocks.
Oh, coiled up right there. Yeah, I almost ran over him and backed up. He kind of startled me because he didn't trail.
Rattlesnake. See the rattle? I think he's just going up in the shade right there.
We ran into a rattlesnake. I think Tyson might have got bit. It's scary. Here he is. Hey man, where'd the snake get you?
Take out my ankle. We were riding by and it like jumped at me. I bit the little monkey right here. So send it. Trevor was volunteered to suck the poison out, but I said it feels okay.
What'd you think of the snake?
I didn't see it. I just heard the story after.
Okay.
I saw the snake.
Did it get you?
It didn't get me.
I didn't bring a snake bite kit.
Hey Gary, was that fun? That was a trail ride, yeah? Gary loved it. Here first, Gary loved it.
You gave it 2 paws up.
2 paws up.
It's so dumb.
So what'd you think of El Carlsbad?
El Carlsbad was interesting. It was a lot of rocks, a little bit of bush,
A lot of rocks.
some wood features somebody built probably about 10 years ago, and it was hot.
Very hot.
And a lot of snakes.
Man, I can't believe that snake did not get one of us. It's unbelievable.
It was close.
It was very close.
It was close. It reached out and tried to grab us, but we said, not today, snake.
I would recommend it if you happen to be in the area. I wouldn't suggest making a special trip to Carlsbad, but if you're in the area, bring your bike, check it out. It's worth a spin.
Yeah, help you get your miles in. Other than that, it's a pretty boring trail.
Yeah. I mean, the wood features were fun for what they were. But
what happened next at Angel Fire?
yes, there may be incentive spirometer. What is that thing called? This may or may not have been required at some point during the Angel Fire trip. You'll have to stay tuned to the next video.
Coming soon, Angel Fire video. 5 skills you must have to ride Angel Fire safely. So stay tuned for that. Click, like, subscribe, enjoy, and have more fun on the trail.
Have more fun on the trail. Oh, by the way, Tyson, I learned this week that I was mistaken for Moby.
Trevor went to a conference and someone thought he was Moby.
Moby.
We'll put a picture of Moby like here somewhere for all you people who have no idea who Moby is.
Alright, see you next time, and
Have more fun on the trail.
Gary. Gary's gonna have more fun on the trail too.
2 paws up.
First leg of the New Mexico road trip in the books, and we're headed to where?
White Sands. Shoot some missiles, fly a stealth bomber, don't get kicked out.
Badger, what's your goal for White Sands?
Have fun.
Have fun. Okay. There might have been a snake sighting.
Definitely a snake sighting. Not the snake in our pants.
No.
That was too easy.